Welcome to ATP Customs. Well, the Willys is back from Eagle Industries, and I said I would park this thing next to the Monster Blazer. So there you go. That is the difference between a 42 Willys and a 1980 Blazer with 15 inches of lift and 45-inch tires. You can tell the top of the windshield is below the window on the Blazer. Anyways, moving on. Willys is back from Eagle Industries, and they did an absolutely beautiful job on all the stainless welding. They actually cut all of this out. We weren't sure what we were going to do, but we did have enough room in the fender well that we could add a little bit here without the tire. We have tons of clearance. That tire is never going to go up there because this thing's not going off-roading. We're going to have to clean all this up a little bit so there's no sharp edges. And we are only going to a 33-inch tire. Those are 31s, so that won't be an issue. And they rebuilt all the stainless seat that was missing for some strange reason. Someone had cut out half of the seat bracket, and we weren't capable of welding stainless here. We don't have those type of welders. So it looks beautiful. Those seats are mounted. They now have front supports, which they did not have when this thing showed up. Absolutely love it. Everything fits perfectly. Now the seats have gone back approximately 5 inches, so you have room for your knees, and the steering column will land exactly where it needs to be. So that's awesome. And right now we are just spacing this rear seat so that we can fit the two 8-inch subs underneath. So we're currently working on a box. Problem is, if we go any higher, well, your head's going to be sitting above the roll bars. But it's kind of one of those issues anyways. There is hardly any room in the back seat for someone to sit, except for maybe a couple of little kids. But at least you can take a couple of little kids with you, I guess. This thing was not designed for that, obviously. So we're just doing a little bit of fitting with the sub box next. And hopefully Wednesday we should have our transmission parts so that we can swap this thing over to an automatic. Once we have that, look out. Then it's wiring absolutely everything up and finishing this thing off hopefully in a week. We'll see. That seems to be tough to keep our timelines lately with parts problems. But it's looking good. Absolutely love this thing. Can't wait to get that transmission back so we can get this thing running and actually drive it around and see what it's like. So there you go. 1942 Willys is on the chopping block again. Thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribe.